This is how to remove the front wheel of a motorcycle using the Maxijak. Obviously the first task is to remove the calipers. These are held on by 2 bolts, slide off out the way, and that's that. You then disconnect the speedo cable, that's out the way. Then it comes down to the spindle. This one's held on by a bolt, which you remove the bolt this side, and now it's ready for removal. You roll in the Maxijak, and then you locate the locking plate. Once in, you then take the weight of the wheel, and at this point you're ready to remove the spindle. Spindle's out, and down comes the wheel, and the wheel's out. No effort whatsoever. The wheel can be then taken out, do whatever you need to do with it, and then when you come to put it back in, once again up with the Maxijak, making sure you've got your spacers lined up. In goes the bolt, just line it up, and a few taps, spindles in, down to the Maxijak, and out. It's that simple and that quick.